that sunscreen you have in your house that you are about to throw away because you feel is a waste of money, please don't throw away your money. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't mind my cocky voice. I'm just waking up right now and I decided to shoot this video. Yeah, a couple of days ago I was on TikTok and I saw videos on a lady complaining of she using a sunscreen and leaving white cast, making her looking like this picture right here. I'm sure we all can relate. Yes, one way or the other we have that sunscreen that leaves white cast, makes us look like Ojuju Calabar. Yeah, so I thought to myself after watching that video and like, okay, why would someone sit down and make a product that people cannot use? Like, make it make sense. It makes no sense actually. Is there something we're not getting and all of that? Out of my curiosity, I try to, there's this sunscreen that I've been using that leaves white cast that makes me uncomfortable, so I'm going to show you how to apply that sunscreen properly. Yeah, so watch me. I've washed my face already in the bathroom and it's dried, and I think I like it. I like the fact that it's dried, and I'm not going in with a second cleanser, and I'm just going in with a toner. Anything you apply on your face, try to apply on your neck too. So, going in with my aloe vera gel. It's not compulsory, but I am treating my face for something at the moment. So I go in with my moisturizer. And I think this moisturizer has SPF in it. I don't know, let me check. Oh yeah, SPF 15. I don't know if you can see it. After going in with the moisturizer, you go in with a oil, a face oil, any face oil of your choice. But I'll be using this vitamin C capsule oil, but any face oil of your choice. Yeah, the first time I tried it I used another one, but the oil is finished. So any face oil of your choice. So I'm using this. So clean it. So you blend it well. After blending, you go in with the sunscreen. That sunscreen you have in your house that you are about to throw away because you feel is a waste of money, please don't throw away your money. Yes, it's like this particular sunscreen, I wish I had applied it without this method. You'll see what it does to my face. Do you understand? It leaves white cast, like it makes no sense. So two on each fingers. 1, 2. Can you see it? So don't throw away that sunscreen, don't throw away your money, don't waste your money. All you need to do is apply a oil before applying the sunscreen. I think the oil helps it stay moisturized or something. So keep blending. Blending, guys. So here is the result after blending. See what it feels like. Can you see? Can you see the glow? Can you see it leaves no white cast? So don't throw away that sunscreen. I advise you, I beg you, don't waste your money. Don't throw away your money. Do you understand? Like, it's a new year. Let's save every penny. Do you understand? Instead of you throwing away that sunscreen because you feel makes you look like an outcast, I don't know, makes you look somehow, please apply it this way. Get a oil, get a face oil, and just do it, because I just feel they can't just make products that we can't use and we're not comfortable wearing. Do you understand? So all it needs is the oil. Let's normalize using a face oil, and that's it. I hope this video was educative. I hope this video was helpful and you learned one or two. So if you do, please like this video, comment, share with your friends, share with people that are about to throw away that sunscreen. Please share it with them and let them know all they need to do is get a face oil and it will blend. Trust me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the post notification so you get notified when I drop my next video. Thank you. Bye.